Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today we are doing a very entertaining, fun and like light kind of video where I'm recreating this makeup look which I did for my brother's function. And I was so excited and I was so tired on that day, and I did this makeup in 10-15 minutes. So I recreated this makeup look because I wanted to share it with you guys. Point one, because you guys can do a party makeup look at home. You don't have to visit a parlor or anything. You guys can do your own makeup at home, and it is a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial because on my channel I try to create makeup tutorials for beginners. It is a step-by-step makeup tutorial where I'm showing you what I did and how I created this gorgeous makeup look. So it's a little chit chat kind of video, not that much. If you like, I'm talking little bit about my life and all that, and if you guys want me to make a like full on chit chat video where I'm sharing about my life, my stories about my life and all, do let me know. I will make videos like that. So let's jump into the video without wasting any more time. So I'm doing all the steps that I have done, like I had done on that day. So I'm using the primer, Benefit Pro Professional Primer. Like applying primer is very important, guys, because it sets your makeup and your base flawlessly. Do not skip on this step. Earlier I used to skip on this step, but now I realize the importance of this one. So yeah, apply the primer all over your face or wherever you feel you have pores or large pores, that it will cover and the makeup will not go inside. Second step was to apply concealer. I wanted to keep very soft kind of makeup look because it was a day ka function tha wo, so I didn't want to do like over and like be caked up and all that. So like I will apply little bit of concealer to cover my dark circles, because look at my dark circles. Quickly blend everything using my sponge. So I am planning to do a video where I am like doing my base using just my fingers, because I recently came to realize that not everyone has sponges or brushes with them to do makeup, and like fingers are best tools to do makeup. So I am like very soon releasing a video where I'm doing my full base using just fingers, no sponge, no brush, nothing. So yeah, I will add little bit of concealer, like highlighting concealer over here, because I want little bit this part to like be brightened. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind. I will use very little, not that much. Name of the product, my shade and everything will be there in the description box, so guys, you guys can check it out. I was so excited. We had so much fun. It was such a beautiful ceremony, and at that day I was so tired that I was not able to shoot because उससे एक दिन पहले ही हम दिल्ली आए थे. तो but like the ceremony and everything was so beautiful, and I wanted to like show you guys how I did my light makeup for a day function, that you don't have to go to parlors and do makeup. You guys can do it at home as well. For my base, if it wouldn't have been a function, then I would have skipped on the foundation, but still there will be pictures and all that, so I don't want to skip on my foundation. So I'm taking little bit itnu sa bas, and then will like apply it all over my face, so that it will give me a very fine and sheer coverage. I am taking just little bit and like doing all over my face. Quickly blend everything together. Like jab function ke liye I was getting ready, I had very little time. I literally did this makeup in 10-15 minutes. So another reason for me for sharing this was like that as well. Like 10-15 minutes mein maine apna makeup kar liya tha. That was very unreal even for me. My next step is to set my face. Setting your face is very important, guys. Like do not step out without setting your face, otherwise your foundation and your concealer will start slipping off and it's not a good sight. Yes, I'm done with my base. Now I will move on to my eyes. I did little bit of my eyebrows. I'm looking for my eyebrow pencil. Where are you? So like I got scared for 1 minute because अभी मैं दिल्ली में हूँ and I have only one eyebrow pencil with me, और अभी functions हैं तो like I wanted to, अभी मैं ज़्यादा आईब्रो पेंसिल खरीदना नहीं चाहती क्योंकि मेरे पास बैंगलोर में पड़े हैं आईब्रो पेंसिल्स. So yeah, and I was so excited to meet all my cousins. I was meeting everyone. After 1 year, it's a little story time as well, like I'm chit-chatting with you guys. I'm a kind of person who is very attached to their family members. So yeah, I was like when my brother told me that he's engaged and all, and I was so happy. Like I was like, I remember I was in Bangalore and like he called me up and told me, and I was so excited. Like अभी कुछ दिन बाकी थे दिल्ली जाने में, बट आई वॉज लाइक मेरी हालत ऐसी हो रही थी कि बस मैं अभी उड़ के दिल्ली चली जाऊं और सबसे मिल लूं. आई वॉज सो फ्रीकिंग एक्साइटेड एट दैट टाइम गाइज. लाइक right now when I'm recreating this look, I'm like reliving all those memories, like when I was with everyone. For my eyes, I am using Huda Beauty. So I did a very simple basic kind of eye look because again एक time भी नहीं था, और दूसरा it was a day function. I didn't wanted to overdo it कि बहुत ज़्यादा कर लिया हो. I didn't wanted to do that. So I just applied one like basic brown eyeshadow and then one like layer of shimmer because obviously Indian function है और shimmer और glitter ना हो तो ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है. I am using this beautiful color over here. It's henna, and then I will apply it all over my eyelid as a transition color. I will take this beautiful copper shade because मेरी dress के अंदर like copper आ रहा है थोड़ा, and I will like apply it little bit with my finger, थोड़ा सा ही, and I didn't do falsies or anything, and बहुत simple and fine layer of eyeliner I did. I kept it very simple guys, बहुत ही simple, मतलब easiest, one of the easiest makeup look that I have done in such a long time, and yet it was looking so awesome. नहीं तारीफ कर रही हूँ. And this is it for my eye look. And then I will do my eyeliner, mascara and kajal. Now I will apply a very thin layer of eyeliner on my eyes. मैंने अपने lower lash पे कुछ नहीं लगाया because like I want to do kajal on my lower lash line because I am a eyeliner and kajal girl. I want to spoil my eye look. So it's kajal time. I'm using Maybelline. सी लग रही है ना आईज कंप्लीट. आई फील लाइक आईलाइनर और काजल लाइक दे विल सेव यू. थोड़ा सा भी आपका आई लुक ऊपर नीचे हुआ है ना, देन यू अप्लाई लाइक थिन लेयर ऑफ आईलाइनर एंड काजल और उसके ऊपर मस्कारा एंड देन guys, I have Hoola. I recently bought it and I was so excited to use it because like it's so expensive. Like मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि I will buy one and then I will be like it's okay, अभी क्या ठीक है ले लूंगी, it's okay. But like I couldn't resist myself now anymore. Like it's a small, I bought a small one because like I don't think so हम लोगों का कभी भी कोई makeup product पूरा use होता है. So I contoured my cheeks little bit because like I was so excited to use this. And yeah, as I was telling you, I was so excited to meet everyone. Like after 1 year, 1 साल से भी ऊपर हो गया था तो मुझे सबसे मिले हुए and even everyone was excited to meet me. And मेरे mom, dad, like I met them after 1.5 years and it was like unreal, out of world feeling for me to meet them after such a long time. I missed them like crazy. And for my blush, I'm using this Sugar's blush because मैंने कहीं कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं किया था तो I wanted my cheeks to look little bit rosy. And this is one hell of a good, amazing blush, guys. If you are looking for blushes and like you want to buy only one, then like blindly go for this one. So it's highlighter time. हाइलाइटर भी मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया था, although I love using highlighter. बट अगेन डे फंक्शन था तो आई डिडंट वांटेड टू ओवरडू इट एंड लुक लाइक अ डिस्को बॉल ओवर देयर. सो या आई लाइक डिड लिटिल बिट. बट अभी तो मैं घर पे हूँ ना, रिक्रिएट कर रही हूँ, तो आई विल डू लिटिल बिट मोर बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट. आई विल लाइक आई पेयर्ड माई like makeup with this burnt orange kind of. ऊपर मैंने ना Smashbox की रेड लिपस्टिक लगाई थी to give a little pop of color, but I'm not able to find it right now. I don't know मैंने कहाँ रख दी है. Guys, my last tip is to use this setting spray because like setting your makeup is very important and I like मुझे पता था कि मुझे function पे थोड़ा time होने वाला है. I didn't want my makeup to budge, so I applied this makeup fixer. Especially like this makeup fixer because it leaves a very dewy kind of finish to my face, and with this I have completed my like face makeup, and then I will show you my outfit which I wore. So this is it guys. I hope you liked the video and you liked my outfit. I'm not wearing the full jewelry right now because वो मैंने अभी अंदर रख दिया, and I wanted to create a very fun, light, chit chat kind of video. So I hope you liked it, and do follow me on Instagram. I post lots of small videos and reels and all that. Post lots of pictures. And hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.